Today, we're here at Encore at David Weekley Homes' Woodstock community, Glenhaven at Ridgewalk. Now, this 55-plus community has been really successful and plans to sell out soon, so it could be your last opportunity. Glenhaven at Ridgewalk is near downtown Woodstock and less than a mile from I-575, the ideal place for active adults to launch life's next chapter. Nominated as 55-plus Community of the Year, Glenhaven at Ridgewalk's gorgeous model home was recognized with a Gold Obie Award for Best Interior Merchandising from the Greater Atlanta Home Builders Association. More and more active adults are electing to call Glenhaven home. With less than 20 homes available, this gated community's sidewalk-lined streets showcase a collection of 130 parkside homes with alluring accents, many with inviting front porches. Ideally designed for the active adult lifestyle, there are 7 ranch plans to choose from, and the interiors are just as enticing as the exteriors suggest. Included lawn maintenance frees up time for residents to enjoy the great outdoors or well-deserved relaxation. Glenhaven's 4,100 square foot amenity center has a clubhouse with fitness center, kitchen, gathering spaces, activities director, swimming pool with lap lanes, and pickleball. Glenhaven offers everything needed for a well-balanced life. Located mere steps from the shops and restaurants of the outlet shops of Atlanta, residents can while away an afternoon with friends shopping and dining, or drive the short distance to Old Rope Mill Park to enjoy the river and hiking trails. David Weekley Homes invites you to discover this incredible 55-plus community, tour the designer-decorated model, and explore the exciting area of Woodstock at Glen Ridge at Ridgewalk. To learn more, please visit the community page at davidweekleyhomes.com.